Could these Mojito design keycaps be the perfect splash of color and comfort your mechanical keyboard has been craving? This set promises a refreshing aesthetic with its vibrant green and white colorway, and it's designed specifically for Cherry MX switches, which is fantastic news for a huge number of mechanical keyboard enthusiasts out there. They're crafted from PBT, a material known for its durability and resistance to shine, which is a huge plus for anyone who spends a lot of time typing or gaming. The Cherry profile is also a popular choice, offering a comfortable and familiar feel that many users prefer. What really sets this set apart is the 5-sided sublimation printing. This technique means the design is deeply infused into the plastic, making it incredibly resistant to wear and tear. You won't have to worry about those legends fading away after just a few months of heavy use. The package comes with a generous 129 keycaps, which should be more than enough to cover most standard keyboard layouts, and even some more niche ones. Installing them was a breeze, and the difference they made to the overall look and feel of the keyboard was immediate. The green and white combination is surprisingly versatile, adding a pop of personality without being overly distracting. They feel solid under the fingers, and the texture of the PBT is really pleasant. Typing on them felt just as good, if not better, than the stock keycaps on many keyboards. There's a satisfying, slightly textured feel that provides good grip. For anyone looking to personalize their mechanical keyboard with a stylish and high-quality set of keycaps, the Mojito design set is definitely worth considering. They offer a great combination of aesthetics, durability, and comfort, all at a price point that feels very reasonable for what you're getting. It's a simple upgrade that can make a surprisingly big impact on your daily typing experience. Overall, these Mojito design keycaps are a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to elevate their keyboard's look and feel.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.